Hello children, welcome to today's session. So in the last session we have learnt the heavier side, lighter side and how to find the mass of the object. Mass means weight of the objects. Okay, how to find the mass of the apple, how to find the mass of the pin. Okay, how to find the mass of the oranges. So mass means weight, that we have learnt, and today we are going to learn the gram and kilogram units. Okay, everyone take your book and take pencil along with you. See, today we are going to learn a look around activity 6.4. Take page number 97. Okay, so have you seen like this stones kana already in your home or any shop? See, these are the stones. Okay, weighing stones. These are the weighing stones. Can you able to see? Have you seen before like this? Yes. Okay, so you can these stones in the market shop and all. Okay, so the shopkeeper will be having a stones like this. Okay, so if you're going to the fruit seller shop, okay, what he will do? If you're asking and buying 1 kg of apple means he will having a balance. Okay, so he will be having a weighing balance. In one plate he will place this 1 kg of stone. In another plate he will put apples. Okay, so he will find either those apples will be equal in weight. Okay, so either both are equal. Then only he will be giving the apples to you. Okay, so they will use these measuring stones. Okay, see, for 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram, 2 kg and 1 kg. So these are the stones both in marketplaces, in market and fruit seller shops they will be having. Okay, so see, these weighing stones have a standard mass and come in different units, kilogram and a gram. Okay, for the small things and all you will be weighing in a gram, 50 gram, 100 gram. Okay, like that. So discuss with your partner and list a few places where you have seen weighing stones being used to measure mass. So where are the places you have seen like these stones? You want to write it kana. Okay, in these dashes where and all you have seen these stones, that you want to write it here. Okay, you can discuss with your parents and you can write it here. Okay, and now see kana, next we are going to see the activity 6.5. Okay, so there are different types of weighing balance to measure the mass of the objects. So to find the mass of the objects, see, these are the different objects. These are the different weighing machines. Okay, see the first one. Have you seen like this in any shop? Yes, in vegetable shop and in a grocery shop and all they will be having like this. Okay, and this also another one weighing machine. And see this one. So if a larger object you want to measure, they will keep on this. And see this one kana last one. So if you want to find your weight, okay, in hospitals and all, they will be having a weighing machine like this. Okay, so you want to find your weight means in hospitals and all, they will having a weighing machine like this. Okay, so create your own weighing balance, draw it here. Okay, so your own idea, you have to use your idea. Okay, how your weighing machine will be. So you want to draw it here. Okay, so these are the weighing machines already they are using, and you can create your own weighing machine and you want to draw it here kana. Okay, now see here, next we are going to see the activity 6.6. Read the mass of the weighing stone and fill in the blanks with heavier than, lighter than or equal to. So already we have seen no, heavier than or lighter than or equal to. How we found that? So which side moves down, that we call it as a heavier, and which side moves up, that we call it as a lighter. If both sides are equal, we call it as a equal one. Okay, so see the first one. So this is a point where we want to see either goes up or down. See the plate. In one plate they have kept the 250 gram stone. And in another side they have kept one apple. The apple is, what is the weight of the apple, Kana? Yes, 250 gram. Okay, what is the weight of the apple? 250 grams. So here they have kept 250 gram stone. Okay, so the apple is 250 gram. So for example, they have written, and see the second one side wheat flour, and the second one, in another side they have kept the stone. And what is the weight of this wheat flour, Kana? See the stone. What is the weight of this wheat flour? 2 kg. Yes, very good. So here they have mentioned 2 kg. Okay, so the packet of wheat flour is 2 kg. Okay, so see here, you want to see the stone. Okay, so in this stone they have measured 2 kg. So what is the weight of the wheat flour? 2 kg. Okay, Kana? And see the third one. So this is another weighing balance. In one side they have kept a cake, and another side they have kept a stone, 1 kg stone. So what is the measurement of the cake? How you will write? The cake is 1 kg. The cake is, what is the weight of the cake? 1 kg. Okay, if you are going to bakery and if you want to buy a cake for your birthday or for any other ceremony, okay, what you will do? You will get like this, kgs. Okay, 1 kg or 2 kg of cake. So they will measure it and they will give like this only. Okay, so what is the weight of the cake? 1 kg. So the cake is 1 kg. Okay. Now see here, Kana, fourth one. So this is the weighing balance machine, and in one side they have kept a watermelon, on another side they have kept a 1 kg stone. So the watermelon is how many kg? So in the stone itself they have given that kg. So the watermelon is 1 kg. Okay, and see the fifth one. Here also in one plate they have kept a butter, and another plate they have kept a 500 gram stone. So the pack of butter is, what is the weight of this butter? 500 gram. Okay, so the packet of butter is 500 gram. And also you can see this measurement on the cover of that object. In the cover, at the back side of it, they will be measured like this, 500 gram or 50 gram. Okay, so how many grams, or 1 kg means 1 kg. So like that they will be measuring in a packet of objects. Now it's the time for home fun, Kana. Take your companion book, page number 33. Okay, 6A. So fill in the blanks with heavier than, lighter than, or equal to. Okay, see the first one. They have given the picture. In the weighing machine, in one plate they have kept a pumpkin. In another plate they have kept a stone. Okay, so how many kilogram of stone? 1 kilogram. Okay, so the pumpkin is 1 kilogram. Okay, so for example, they have given. Okay, so what you have to write? You want to write the pumpkin is heavier or lighter. So the pumpkin is, how you will found heavier? See this point, Kana. So this point is moves right side. So that means the pumpkin weighs more. Okay, so this is the heavier side. Okay, see this needle point. So that if goes right side means the right side of the object weighs more, heavier. Okay, so the pumpkin is heavier than 1 kg. You won't write it heavier. Okay, so the pumpkin is heavier than 1 kg. You won't write it here heavier. And the biscuit packet is, see here. Here one side biscuit packet, in another side they have kept 200 gram stone and 50 gram stone. Okay, you want to check that middle one, Kana, middle needle point. Okay, see here, this one in this picture, that needle point moves right side. If it moves right side means the pumpkin is heavier. And see here, the needle point moves right side or left side? It stands in the middle. Okay, so that means both are in equal weight. Okay, so you want to write equal weight. Okay, like this you want to complete this home fund kana and upload in the Kensil app. Okay. So like that what you have to do in this activity? The apple is, okay, so heavier or lighter? See this needle. So this needle moves left side. Okay, so moves left side means this plate is heavier. This side moves down, isn't it? So the needle moves left side. So this stone is heavier. So what do you want to write? The apple is, okay, lighter than 250 grams. So you want to write. See here. So the apple is lighter than the 250 gram. Okay. So because see this needle point is moves left side. So it moves down means we have seen that this side is a heavier one. So 250 gram is heavier and the apple is a lighter one. So the apple is lighter than 250 gram. Like that you want to write it. Okay. Now see here Kana. See the second one. This needle moves this side. Wheat flour side. So if the needle moves this side means wheat flour is heavier. In this picture the needle moves this side, left side. So left side means in left side plate what is there? 250 gram stone. So this stone is heavier. So the apple will be lighter. That you have written. And now see in this picture the needle is moves right side. So right side what we are having? Wheat flour. So the packet of wheat flour is heavier than 2 kilogram. Okay. So heavier than this stone. That you want to write. And see here in this picture. So both the plates are in equal position. Okay. So any side is heavier or like moves down or up kana? In this picture, can you able to see any side is moves up or down? No. Yes. So both the plates are in equal. So the cake is equal to 1 kg. Okay. And now see here, the watermelon moves down. So moves down means what we have learnt? Heavier. So watermelon is heavier than 1 kg. Okay. And see the fifth one. See the needle kana. The needle moves right side or left side. So it doesn't move any side. Okay. So if it is moves right side means the butter will be a heavier one. If the needle moves left side means the stone will be a heavier one. But the needle doesn't move any side. So both are equal. Okay. So like this you want to do kana. Next we are going to see the activity 6.7. Okay. Look at the weighing stone and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. See the first one kana. See the weighing machine. Okay. In one plate they have kept the 200 gram stone and in another plate they have kept the lady's finger. So the lady's finger weighs how much? 200 gram. Okay. So like that you want to write. See the second picture. In one plate they have kept the chocolates and in another plate they have kept the 100 gram stone. So the chocolates weighs how much gram? What is the gram there? Yes, very good. 100 gram. Okay. So in that stone what they have written? 100 gram. That means this chocolate weighs 100 gram. Gram here they have written. Just you want to write this alone. Okay. And now see the third one. In one side they have kept the tomatoes. On another side they have kept the 3 kg stone. Okay. 3 kg stone they have kept kana. So what is the weight of this tomato? Heavier or lighter or equal? See the picture nicely and tell me. If suppose heavier means what is it? The needle. Okay. So in the middle of this the needle is there. If the needle moves right side means this part right side will be heavier. And suppose if this needle is moves left side means and this left side part will be a heavier. But here the needle doesn't move any side. So it is in a straight one. So both are in equal weight. So tomatoes, what is the weight of the tomatoes? 3 kg. You want to write here 3 kg. Okay, you want to write by yourself, Kanna. Okay. So 3 kg. For this I have written. The remaining 3 sums you want to do by yourself. Okay. So what is the weight of this pen? See, what is the measurement they have given here? 50 gram. So you want to write how much gram does this object. Okay. Like this you want to complete this. Now everyone take your companion. Everyone take your companion book. Okay. Page number 34. 6b. Fill in the blanks with the mass of the objects. Okay, so you want to find the mass of the given object. See the first picture, Kana. In the weighing balance, so in one plate they have kept the salt. In another plate they have kept the stone. Okay, gram or kilogram of stone. What is the weight of that stone? 500 gram. So what is the weight of this salt? 500 grams. So that measurement you want to take and write. That's all down. Okay. So you want to write the measurement alone. So what is the measurement they have given here? See nicely. 500 gram. So you want to write 500 gram. Like that. See the second one. What is the weight of this cheese? See in this stone. What they have given? 400 gram. Okay. So what is the weight of this? 400 gram. So what do you want to write? So the weight of this cheese packet is 400 gram. That weight only you want to take and write, Kanna. That's all. Okay. Like this you want to complete this home fund. Complete this home fund and upload in the Kensila. Okay. Okay, Kanna. Okay, we can see in the next session. Bye.